Today, the US market has seen a growth of 0.09%. At the time of close, market was at 6005.88. Here, it's time to understand what is a trend in the global market. So to understand that, what we can do is to dive deep into major markets. Now we already know what the trend in the European US market is. That means US right now is in a slightly bullish side. If all other markets are consistent with this bullish trend, then we can say that the trend in the global market is slightly bullish. Let's dive deep into major markets. The other major markets in the West is Europe with a 0.28%. Clearly, the European market does not buy the larger trend we have seen in the US market. The market at the time of the beginning of the day, market was at 5417.39. Right now, the European market stands at 5405.20. The trend in Asia is looking mixed, with the Chinese market is staying in the bearish side and Japanese market in the bullish side. The Indian market has seen a growth of 0.09%. That is a mild growth like what we have seen in the US market. In Japan, the trend has become much more stronger. The market has seen a growth of 0.32%. That shows that Japanese market right now are showing much more bullishness than the West, especially the US. The trend in China is similar to what we have seen in the European market. Chinese market has dropped 0.44%. At the time of the close, market was at 3384.82. Let's move to other major markets. We can start with the South Africa. That's a very powerful economy in the African region. And we can see that South Africa right now is at 96979.24. That is a growth from 96577.79. That is a growth of 0.59%. That means South African market right now is in the bullish side. There are chances for the market may come down in the coming hours. The Australian market is looking bullish. Market has seen a growth of 8587.20. That is a growth from 8522.40. That is a growth of 0.84%. If we have to give a conclusion, the most powerful upward momentum we have seen in the global market right now is from Australia. That is a 0.84% growth. And the most weakest upward momentum we have seen is from the US market with 0.09% growth. So that was the global market updates. I hope it was an informative one. Thank you for listening. I'll get back to you with the global market updates next day. Until then, bye.